Hi guys, I am back with a new video of a TCL Smart TV that you have purchased from the shop, or you have reset it to factory setting and now you want the initial setup. First of all, watch my video till end. Now starting the video, the first thing you have to select is your country. Like I am selecting my country is Pakistan. I will select Pakistan from here. It's a drop down menu, you can select your country. Now there is terms and conditions. You will click on I agree. Next there is option of home, shop with demo. You have to click on home. Next is the connect to a network setup. I have my wireless connection. Now I will press scan. I have my Wi-Fi showing on the top. I will put the password here. After password, connect it. Now it is showing connected. Now press next. It is looking for upgrade. It is saying that your version is the newest. Now press the right button from the remote. TV installation, click on continue. If your cable provider is providing analog TV, analog channels, then click on analog channels. And if your cable provider is providing both analog and digital, then you may click one by one both and search the channels analog and digital. Now firstly it is searching for the analog channels. 69 channels are searched still. You can see that antenna ITV channels 69. Now I will press the next button from the right. Here is the option of digital channels. You can scan digitals HD channels from here if your cable provider is providing. Now here select the digital option, then press on full scan mode full, then search. Now it will scan all the digital channels that are in HD format. (160) channels are tuned till 99%. You can see that. Now I will press the next button. Here is the final message: language, country, region, location, Wi-Fi and other things channel installed. Now you can enjoy your smart TV. Viewers, if you like my video, kindly share it. Goodbye viewers.